It's typical. You want something to happen at the scene level, but you end up having to put a game object in the scene, because game objects and components is what you do in Unity, right? Wait, what if you could just add a component to a scene? Introducing SuperScenes. SuperScenes enables the concept of components for scene assets. This way you can attach data and behavior without the need to add new game objects. 1. You create a script that inherits from scene component. 2. You select a scene file and add the component like you would for a normal game object. 3. At runtime, you can now access the data using the SuperScenes API, or automatically run code when the scene loads or unloads. It's very simple. SuperScenes, components for scenes.